Welcome to Medical Globe e-learning. This is Hafsa Mubin from Federal Medical and Dental College, and we are doing Unit 11 of Physiology, which is about motor neurology. This is Chapter 60. First of all, table of specification. There will be 2 SEQs and 12 MCQs in paper from this whole unit. This chapter is about sleep, brain waves, epilepsy, psychosis, and dementia. So coming towards first topic, the sleep, it is important for your SEQ and MCQ. The 2 types of sleeps, like slow wave sleep and rapid eye movement sleep. So you have to compare both and you have to do this topic for your SEQ. They are also important for your MCQ. Some points you have to memorize all the highlighted text. This diagram is not very important. This is the continuation of that 2 types of sleeps. Here are the basic theories of sleep. You have to understand this topic. Next is the neuronal centers and neurohormonal substances. This topic is also important for your SEQs. The role of serotonin. This is important as a SEQ and it is also important for your MCQ. So you have to do the highlighted text. Now is this sleep promoting centers, intense wakefulness. This is important. The medial rostral suprachiasmatic area. This is important. Next is the possible transmitter substance related with the sleep. This is just a concept based important topic. Next is the possible cause of REM sleep, the cycle between sleep and wakefulness. This is just for your understanding and for your concepts. Orexin neuron are important for arousal and wakefulness. This is also just for concepts. Now is the functions of the sleep, psychological functions. This is important for your MCQs and also important for your understanding. This is important for your MCQs. Now the brain waves is very important for your SEQ. You have to define EEG in your SEQ and have to write about different types of waves, the alpha, beta. These all are written in this blue box and you have to do this diagram with the waves, okay? Like how they are changed when eyes open and when eyes closed. So you have to do this topic for your SEQ. The delta waves. Now is the origin of brain waves. This is concept-wise important topic. The origin of alpha waves. Now is the varying level of cerebral activity. This is also important for your concepts. Changes in the EEG at different stages. This is important for your concepts. Now next important SEQ of this chapter is seizures and epilepsy. You have to differentiate between seizures and epilepsy. You have to classify the epileptic seizures like focal seizures and generalized seizures, and you need to know the details about the 2 different types of seizures. I have highlighted all the important text in this blue box so you can memorize all the highlighted things. The focal seizures, then is the Jacksonian March phenomena, simple seizures, the simple partial and the complex partial seizures. Now is the generalized seizures, its definition. The diagrams are not important. Now is the generalized tonic-clonic grand mal seizure. You have to classify all different types of seizures in your SEQ. Okay, the absent seizure, this is the continuation of the previous topic. You can neglect. The treatment of epilepsy is not very oftenly asked question, but you can do the drugs. But you just need to know the names of the drugs, okay? Then is a psychotic behavior. This is not very important topic from here. Decrease manic and depressive psychosis. You have to read this topic for your concepts, for your understanding. The SEQ wise important topics are in this page. This schizophrenia and Alzheimer's disease. You have to write detailed notes about these 2 diseases, schizophrenia and Alzheimer. I have highlighted all the important points in these boxes so you may be benefited. That's all about this chapter. For more details and practice, do consult Medical Globe MCQ Crack series. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.
Medical Globe introduces its series of successful publications, MBBS Cracks, the benchmark of all, containing all the chapter-wise questions of prime importance, all annual and subtly solved university questions to ace your vivas, chapter pearls, and of course, we have incorporated all the labeled and histologic and anatomic models in high resolution for your distinction level OSCE preparations. Medical Globe has also launched a gem in the medical world to master every concept for your multiple choice questions, the MCQ cracks encompassing UHS, NAMS, and many others, revealing the UHS MCQ rank, your practice MCQs, and topic-wise MCQs. Get your MCQ and the MBBS cracks at your doorstep by placing your order at 0335 66 33007.